Hi, it's Christopher Hart again, and I am your friendly cartoonist. I want to give you a tip today. How to exaggerate. More on exaggeration. Sometimes we think of exaggeration as just, making a giant head and an even bigger body, but that's not the only way to do it. Sometimes exaggeration means drawing a character, an animal that's always on four legs, on two legs. And it's very effective. It immediately turns it into a people personality, and you can see that personality if you draw it correctly. So we're going to give him kind of a forced posture, meaning that it's not really that relaxed because he's not meant to stand that way, but it'll be fun. It'll be fun. A big tail here. Why do you do that? Why so big? Well, we're going to balance the head. See, that's it right there. Now I'm going to draw a deer. Yes, a deer. And they really don't stand on two legs, but I guess you know that. But that's the fun. So let's start, all right? Here is the eye line. That just guides us. It's just an invisible line to help us remember that the eye in this character, since he's cute, and since she's young, that she will have low eyes in the head. That's axiomatic in cartoons. I never get to use that word, but so that's axiomatic. I got to remember that for next time. All right, sloping forehead into a short snout. Deer have very long and lean snouts, but we're going to change that because short and kind of choppy is cuter. So we're going to go with a cuter one, even if it's not completely correct. A small nose, yeah, like that. And now we're going to put those big ears out because deer really have quite large ears. And if it's a young female deer, it will have no antlers. People like to draw antlers, but it depends on the kind of character. And I'll bring the head out this way, add a little more mass to the back of its head. The back of the head really is where you get a lot of cuteness in a character. And people really don't think about that. They think it's all in the front of the face. It is, but you can see how that gives it kind of a deer feeling rather than if I just chopped it off like this. All right, now that goes right into here, a lean neck, and this leans like this. And the reason this back leans at this angle here is, can anyone say? Well, if you could, I couldn't hear you anyway, but I bet some of you guessed it. It's because it's pushing the tummy forward. Yeah, that tummy has to go forward to be a cute tummy. And the arm back like this is a very alert but sort of introverted expression. The legs go straight back, straight down. And here is that gigantic tail, two-tone tail. Here's the fur, like that. Very surprised deer. Yes, indeed. Now you see, look how exaggerated that is. But it's not like a giant this or a weird that. It's just he's standing like you and me, and or she is, and that's a nice look. It's a fun look. So you can exaggerate just with posture alone. Well, I hope you like that. You got a tip out of it, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.